BBC has exclusively obtained this never-before-seen footage, and it just shows you the amount of damage, the kind of damage that has been done to the hospital from the inside. You could see what looked like hospital beds, what looked like wards, what remains of operating theatres in that hospital, all completely burned out, all completely destroyed. And of course, you know, nearly 2 weeks after the bombing, this is what remains of the hospital. We do know that 22 people died there, of course, 10 patients and 12 MSF staff. We also know that some bodies are still trapped in the rubble. Of course, these are pictures too graphic to show, but we do know that some are still, some bodies are still inside the hospital. This tallies with what the MSF have told us in Kabul when they held the press conference. So we're seeing these dramatic pictures for the first time, and it just kind of brings to mind what it must have been like on that night for the people inside the hospital. But we're also hearing about this investigation, or at least the first step into an investigation that may go ahead.